Now I'm gonna cross back. Okay. And while I'm crossing, I'll show you the view. Okay, here I come. Water is so clear. Super clear ang water. Tapos, I am now crossing. I'm sure if Denise is here, nako si Denise. Denise will be over the moon. We'll bring her here. And we'll just let her to walk and walk and walk. Na traffic sila, guys. So nice talaga. Wow, there's fish. I miss it. And then walk and walk and walk and walk. And walk and walk. We're so lucky it's sunny. And the water is not as cold. Honestly. Ay. Pag malaglag ang phone, goodbye. Babalik na ako. So nice. It's so cool. So cool in your feet, guys. We'll see here if I can see fish. There's plenty fish. You see it? There. Hindi masyadong, it's not very clear. There. Cannot see because it's too sunny. I can't get over with the view. So nice. Grabe talaga. Balik na kami. Punta kami sa garden. We are not finished yet. Continue pa kami sa gardens. Super nice doon. You want to go? It's very nice, Han. Why? So nice. Grabe.